everyone, my name is Varsha. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. As you're aware, the Australian government is providing an incentive of $630 for all the international student visa holders and also the holiday visa holders who are arriving in Australia after the 19th of January 2022 till the 19th of April 2022. I made a detailed video on this topic before. If you haven't watched this, please go and watch that video if you want more information. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure as to how you can apply for this incentive and how you can claim this money back. If you want more such videos from me, please show your support by subscribing to the channel and also liking this video and sharing to people whoever will find this helpful. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so here I am on the Home Affairs website on the refund section. For you, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can just click the link and get started with your refund process. So as you can see, there is different options for different circumstances. So we are interested in the one which is applicable for student visa and working visa holders. So these are all the visa subclasses that are eligible to apply for this incentive. And sorry, my bad, the time of entry for students is 19th of Jan till the 19th of March. And for working visa, it's 19th of January till the 19th of April. So here you can click on the student and WHM forms and you'll be redirected to this site. You will have to create a login access. I already had an account, so when I clicked, it just took me right to this page. But in your case, you just have to create an account, which is a very simple, straightforward process, and just come to this section and apply for submit a new request. So here, I'm not going to fill all this information for obvious reasons because I am not on a student visa, but these information, for example, the TRN number, it can be found on your visa that you've been given, right? It's the transaction reference number and the application ID as well. You just got to fill that. So you'll be able to find this in your visa grant letter. So subclass, for example, say you're on a student visa, so 500 subclass. And the date of entry obviously has to be after the 19th to be eligible for this. And just give your name, your family name, the date of birth, the passport number, the passport issue country, details, your email address and your contact number. So pretty straightforward. It's a very simple form to fill out. And here's the section where you have to mention if you have paid for your own visa. So if you say yes, if you use your bank account details or your card to pay for your visa, if you say yes, whatever the refund is will come back to your own account. If not, if your agent or migration agent has paid the visa fees for you, you got to say yes there, and then just come back to this details where you will be filling in your banking account details. Once that's done, just submit, click the declaration and submit it. So you will be getting your refund processed in about 7 to 10 days. I'm obviously not clicking, it's not a real application, but just a template for you to show how the entire thing works. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me on my Instagram. And I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.